What's going on, YouTube? It's O'Neil from Tapped In with O'Neil. And as you guys can see from the title of the video, we're going to be doing our weekly update on the smaller account that I've been managing for a friend. As you guys know, this person invests $150 of their own money into the account, and I just help them grow that money that they invest in the account. And we are going to beat the interest rate that banks charge you on your money. So instead of investing into the banks for a 4% interest rate, we're going to be growing our money a lot faster than that by investing in a brokerage account. This person's brokerage account is specifically Robinhood, and that's what I'm managing for them. So without further ado, we're going to hop straight into it, and I'll show you guys what the plays we made this week, what the account is looking like, and what plans we have for the future revolving around the account. All right, so as you guys can see, the account is now sitting at $2,916.81. Our buying power is at $113.09. And as I mentioned in my previous video talking about my specific account, I made the same play. We opted for the TSL option put at a 12.5 strike price, and it's been performing really good throughout the week. From this one put, we've made $108, so we already hit our threshold for $100 every week, and we're definitely outpacing the interest rate for banks. So yeah, as you guys can see, TSLL is sitting at $14.39, and we made a strike, and we're targeting the strike price of $12.5, meaning that we don't want this stock to drop below the $12.5 strike price, because we pretty much are betting the under. So with us selling the $12.5 put, we're basically agreeing that if TSLL falls below the $12.5 strike price within the week, we will be assigned the shares. We'll be agreeing to buy these shares for the $12.5 strike price, no matter if the shares drop below that. So as you guys can see, like I said, it's been performing way better than that. It's like almost $2 over the strike price, which is really good. A little bit about TSLL. It is a leveraged ETF trust. It is tracking Tesla. So everything that Tesla does throughout the week, Tesla had a massive pump this week. Everything that Tesla does, this pretty much reacts off of Tesla. So we'll go ahead and look up Tesla and show you guys exactly how it has the same exact graph. See how it has the same exact graph as Tesla. It literally tracks the same movement as Tesla, but it just is a leveraged ETF. So however, whichever direction that Tesla moves, this will move twice as much in the direction because it is leveraged. So yeah, that's pretty much it. This is not something I would recommend. Remember, guys, this is not financial advice. I'm just doing these off of my own research. So you guys make sure you do your own research and you understand what positions that you're putting in, what you're trading, understand your risk to reward ratio, understand all of that before you place any puts or place any trades and you start trading options on Robinhood. This is not financial advice. I cannot stress this enough. So as you guys can see, remember I said, we made $108 from this one put, and then we'll show you guys what the puts are looking like. So the history, let's check the history. So as you guys can see, we just started selling puts about, I want to say 2-3 weeks ago. So the first week we made $82. Second week we made $112. This week we made $108. So we've been pretty good, at least making over $80 every week. And we're gonna try to keep it to the pace of $100 every week. Hopefully I can keep that up for you guys. So make sure you guys stay tuned for my channel and what I do on my personal account. I'm pretty much doing the same thing, but on a smaller account. So this just shows you can use the same strategies that I use on my personal account on your smaller account if you have. And in addition to investing consistently, any portion of money, it could be any amount of money. It could be $25 every week. Just dump it into a brokerage account, and it's specifically into maybe an ETF. So we have JEPQ as the ETF that we're using on this account. This is a JP Morgan ETF, and it tracks the NASDAQ and is heavily weighted in the tech sector. It has pretty decent dividends. I mentioned that in one of my previous videos, so make sure you guys check that out. As you guys can see, we got 6 shares and we're up $7. And this is a down day, so you guys know what we do on down days. We're going to go ahead and buy some shares. We're going to just buy, we got about $113 in buying power. We're going to go just buy one share of JEPQ. Let's see, dollars. No, we're going to shares. We'll buy one share. It's one of those down days. Anytime it's the down day, we just buy. So yeah, there we go. We got one more share of JEPQ. And now we're at 7 shares. 7.01 shares to be exact. Yeah, we're just kind of going pretty decently. We've been playing everything safe. We are going to be expecting JEPQ dividends in a couple of weeks, if I'm not mistaken. In probably about 2 weeks, we're going to be expecting JEPQ dividends. So we'll see what that looks like on the 7 shares that we have. We'll probably gain more shares by then. But yeah, this was just a weekly update on this account. I'll update you guys again next week. And also stay tuned for my personal account. So I show you guys exactly what plays I'm making. I might even drop the strategies and plays that I make a little bit before then. Before we go, make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe, turn on post bell notifications, leave a comment for feedback if you have anything you want to add. And yeah, without further ado, it's Tapped In with O'Neal, signing out.